When it comes to understanding female behavior, there's a lot on the line. In this video, we'll be revealing some secrets about women's sexuality that will leave you amazed. Women adore kisses on the abdomen, ear, or neck during intimacy. While many women might not openly admit it, a surprising number actually enjoys sex during menstruation. However, this is often when men are least inclined to engage. Did you know that 94% of women love being kissed on the neck? Additionally, around 15% of women can only achieve orgasm through vaginal penetration, while about 40% believe the nipple deserves more attention. Studies have shown that drinking water before sex can enhance your orgasm because hydration helps increase your body's fluid balance, boosting your ability to reach climax. So, stay hydrated. When it comes to anal sex, it takes longer to reach ejaculation. This isn't because the woman isn't enjoying it, rather, it's due to the different friction compared to vaginal sex. If you're looking for a more intense orgasm and heightened sensations, try using a blindfold on yourself or your partner. Although it might feel unusual at first, you'll soon find it incredibly enjoyable. Being good in bed requires experience and a willingness to give and receive feedback. No one is born a perfect lover. An interesting fact about human behavior is that when a man is deeply in love, he can't stop talking about his partner with his friends. On the other hand, when a woman is attracted to a man, she might speak in a softer tone than usual. After an orgasm, whether from intercourse or masturbation, many people find it easier to fall asleep. During orgasm, your heart rate can soar to 180 beats per minute, which is quite a leap from the normal 60 beats per minute. Only 18% of women can achieve vaginal orgasm without a man's help, whether that's through inserting a sex toy or using their fingers. Interestingly, 80% of women experience orgasm through clitoral stimulation, and 20% keep sex toys at home for self-satisfaction whenever they want, without needing a partner. Surveys reveal that 87% of respondents consider the missionary position the most enjoyable. Hot water draws blood to the surface of the skin, making breasts and nipples particularly sensitive to touch. Standing sex can help you last longer and brings women to orgasm faster. It might seem like an old-fashioned tip, but using natural lubricants or saliva can significantly enhance the female orgasm. However, lubricants shouldn't be applied directly to the genitals. Instead, spray some on your hands, rub it between your fingers to warm it up, and then apply it gently. A study in the United States revealed that at least 600 people have been admitted to the emergency room due to strangulation during sex. If you want to last longer in bed, avoid the doggy-style position. It's been shown that men tend to finish quickest in this position, so save it for last. There are 3 positions that women will never forget: face-to-face clitoral stimulation with a vibrator in the doggy-style position, and oral sex. These will definitely make you memorable. Although the clitoris is a source of immense pleasure for many women, it's important to note that overstimulation can cause discomfort. Like men, women need time to rest after orgasm because they experience heightened clitoral sensitivity. The clitoris is an erectile organ that, like the penis, responds to mental and tactile stimulation, filling with blood when aroused. Surprisingly, the most common sexual fantasy for both men and women is oral sex. The chances of you and your partner reaching orgasm simultaneously are quite low, so don't worry about it, just enjoy the moment. Remember, during sex, hesitation is not your friend, it's a time to act and do it right. The maximum speed at which erotic sensations travel from the skin to the brain is 230 kilometers per hour, mind-blowing, right? Sex can also relieve pain, as the release of endorphins can reduce discomfort, such as headaches or menstrual cramps. It's been proven that women subconsciously desire a strong, confident, intelligent partner. However, 95% of women say they don't like it when men grab their head or hair during oral sex, as it's a moment solely dedicated to their pleasure. If you're thinking about trying a threesome, it's best to do it with someone you're not romantically involved with, as it can be challenging to avoid jealousy and paranoia. If you want a woman to reach orgasm, follow her lead with your fingers. No one knows her body better than she does, so listen to her cues. If your partner doesn't know how to kiss, it's likely he won't be much good in bed either. If a woman isn't having regular sex with her partner, it's more likely that the man might stray and cheat. When a woman wraps both legs around a man during intercourse, it's a clear sign that her desire is just beginning, and she's hungry for more. Only 18% of women who have sex with their partner reach orgasm through vaginal penetration alone. After orgasm, a woman may take anywhere from 5 to 60 minutes to fully relax. One of the best positions to stimulate the female G-spot is the spooning position. Offering sexy lingerie is a great way to boost a woman's confidence and turn her on. Although many men might not think of it, using a vibrator before sex is one of the quickest, easiest, and most effective ways to stimulate the clitoris. Using a vibrator doesn't make a woman dependent on it. In fact, women who regularly use sex toys have a higher sexual desire and reach orgasm more frequently. They also experience fewer sexual dysfunctions. So, what do you think?